I'm going to create a full-fledged application, front-end, backend, and Supabase integration. Generally, to create any application, it takes loads of time. But using AI, you can make this process more quicker. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. So now you can see an application fully built using AI. But in our case, I'm going to create a task manager app with Supabase authentication and task database. I'm going to try it like this and then click enter. Now it started creating the application. You can see it's asking for my approval. So it is also going to integrate Stripe payments, a recent email service as an addition. That is really nice. So I'm going to click generate. Now it started generating the application and now it's asking me to connect to Supabase. So I'm going to click that. If you don't know about Supabase, it serves as a backend to store all your data. Also, it provides additional service such as authentication, instant APIs, edge functions, real-time subscriptions, and much more. But for now, we are going to focus only on storing our data in a backend database. So I'm going to click that authorize URL and click authorize Skywork on my Supabase account. Now it's processing the request and Supabase authentication successful. So I'm going to choose the organization and the project. I can even create a new project. I'm going to say task manager, setting a password and then create new project. And in Skywork AI, I'm going to choose the task manager project, which I have just created in Supabase, and clicking connect. By the way, I'm using Skywork.ai. Using this platform, you're able to create documents, slides, sheets, posters, websites, and much more. In our case, we are creating our application using Skywork websites. And thanks to Skyworks AI for sponsoring this video. I'll put the link in the description for you to sign up. So here you can see automatically it's building the application with all the code and also connection to Supabase. That is really nice. So here you can see an option to see the difference. So it's adding these all lines. Initially there was nothing and you can see the modified code. At the top you can clearly see Supabase is connected. If you're an absolute beginner or you don't know anything about coding but still want to create an application, this is the easiest way to get it started. Now next, it's automatically adding Supabase authentication. That means you can log in to your application and then manage your tasks. Everything built in. Even we got the visual editor, so that is on the right hand side. So you can go and edit and you are now in edit mode. Feel free to enter prompts or make your own edits for free. So even if I want to change anything here, I can just click this and I can ask AI editing, change to present task manager. So now you can see it automatically passed the UI element to the chat and it's making the modification. Let's see how it's going to work. And now it's all ready. The update which I requested is ready and I didn't modify any code. I can just select items from this page and ask to AI and it can automatically fix what you want to. And on the left hand side you can see successfully updated the title and it provides the live URL where I can test and the task is complete. So here are the implemented features: authentication system, user registration with email verification, secure login logout, task management, user interface, security and database. So everything implemented in one go. Now we're going to test the application by clicking the URL provided here. So clicking on this, now I'm directly in the application. So I'm registering now. So I got an email. So you can see automatic email integration is done. So I can confirm my email. Now it is logged in. So I can add a task, clicking on add task and create new task. I want to create a app, setting the priority as medium, date as 25/12/2025, time 00 and create task. Task successfully created. Now you can see the task which I created is here, create AI app, and the priority is medium with the date. So I can even delete it or modify the status. So trying the delete option. But before that, I'm coming to Supabase and there I can see task manager app. So I'm going to click database. You can see the structure it created. I want to read the data in the database. So I'm going to go table editor. So here you can see task table. There, my ID, user ID and the title and all information present here. That is really nice. So complete integration. And I feel this is more smoother compared to many other applications which I test. Let's do one more final thing. I want to add payment system. So I'm going to say add payment system using Stripe and click enter. So overall, if you see the total number of messages I sent, initially I sent this create a task manager app with Supabase authentication and task database. So that is the only command I sent initially. Then if you come down, I authenticated with Supabase. Then I asked to change the task manager to present task manager. And now finally I'm asking you to add payment system with Stripe. So you can see how much easy it is to create an application like this. So now I'm going to add API key, that is Stripe API key. So going to click this link. So I am inside Stripe now. So here you can see I'm in the developer panel. So I can directly go and create secret key. But here it clearly explains get both publishable key and secret key. So I'm going to generate both and clicking continue. Just providing the app URL and just say task manager and create verification required. I've got the key now, so add API key. I've added those keys here. Now it's testing the Stripe payment system. The task is now completed with the live URL and new payment features with basic, premium and pro plan. Payment integration done, security backend and how to test it. So free users limited to up to 10. After that you can upgrade and test with this card. So let's try this. So here is the UI. You can see upgrade option here. So I'm going to click on that and subscription management. Current plan is basic. And here is the comparison between basic, premium and pro plan. I can view all pricing and plan. So clear comparison here. This is really nice. And upgrade to premium, clicking on that. Now it's asking me to upgrade. So I need to add my full name, email, and the card details. So it provided test the card details here. So I'm going to add that. So adding those details and click pay. And that will automatically upgrade the plan for you. That is really nice. Easy Supabase integration, Stripe integration, complete end-to-end application with front and backend using Skywork AI. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. And tell me what you have built with this application. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.